Namaste. I hope you all are healthy and safe. In today's video, I'm going to share some factor worksheet for grade 4. So let's start. The first question is fill in the blanks. Dash is the factor of every number. What is the factor of every number? That is 1 is the factor of every number. Every number is the greatest factor of itself. So we have to write the answer over here. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is, what is the divisibility rule of 5? A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. Likewise, a number is divisible by 3, 5 and 10. So we have to find out the same number which is divisible by 3, 5 and 10. Suppose I will take here 30. So 3 tens are 30. 30 is divisible by 3. 5 6 are 30. So 30 is divisible by 5 and 30 is divisible by 10. So we have to write the number here, 30. Now the next question is a number that has only two factors. 1 and itself is called a dash number. It's called a prime number. So these are some question answers I have given. So you can give this type of question answers like fill in the blanks or tell the sentence is true or false. This type of question answer you can give to children. Now the next question is put a tick mark if the number is divisible and cross if the number is not divisible. So we have to find out. So for this we have to know what is the divisibility rule of 2, 3, 5, 6, 9 likewise. So I'll show you with one example. Suppose 42. So it is divisible by 2 or not? Yes, as we know in the ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is present, that number is divisible by 2. So we have to tick here. Now 3 we have to add this number. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. As here in the ones place 0 is not present, 5 is not present. So it is not divisible by 5. So we have to cross. For 6 the number is divisible by 2 and 3. So that means the number is divisible by 6. Likewise we have to find out the number is divisible by all the numbers or not. If it is divisible we have to put a tick mark, or if it is not divisible, we have to put a cross mark. So this question is basically related to divisibility rules. For factors, we have to know the divisibility rules. So this type of some questions you can give for practice. Now let's come to the next question or next worksheet. Here the question is find the factor of these numbers and write the common factor. So first we have to find out the factor of these numbers and what are the common factor we have to write down. So I'll give one example, like factors of 6. So factor of 6 is 1, 2, 3, 6. Factors of 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. So what are the common here? 1 is common, so we have to write here 1. Here 2 is common, so we will write here 2. Again, there are no other factors which are common. So 1 and 2 are the common factors of 6 and 8. So this is how we have to find out the common factors. You can give this type of questions. Here I have taken 18 and 24. Any two numbers you can give. Now let's come to the next question, that is the find the factor of these numbers. I have given some numbers. We have to write down the factor of the number. So if you want how to find out factors, what is factor and what is prime number, composite number, for all I have a separate video where in that video, I have already described about how to find out factors and full complete chapter of factor for grade 4. So I will share the link in the description box. If you want, you can go through that video. Now I'll give one example. Suppose 28. So what are the factors of 28? 2 is the factor of 28. 4 is the factor. 1 is the factor of 28. 7 is the factor of 28. 14 is the factor of 28. Then 28 is the factor of 28. So we have to find out what are the factors of the number. So this is how we have to find out factor of all the numbers. Now let's come to the next worksheet, that is complete the factor tree. So some numbers are missing. We have to complete the factor tree. So let's find out how to do 3. So 30. So 3 tens are 30. 3 will remain same here. Now 10. 2 5s are 10. So the factor tree is completed. Here 18, that means 18 can be written as 2 9s are 18. Now 2 will come here because already it is a prime number. Now 9, 3 3s are 9. So the factor tree is completed. Now let's come to the next question, that is find the prime factoration in the factor trees. So suppose 32 I will take. We have to find the prime factoration. So for 32 can be written as 2 multiply with 16. Now 16 can be written as 2 multiply with 8. Now 8 can be written as 2 multiply with 4. Now 4 can be written as 2 multiply with 2. Now all numbers are prime numbers. So we have to take those numbers and we have to write down. So this is how we have to find out a prime factoration of a number. Now I have give only 2 numbers. You can give more numbers for daily practice so that they can easily do how to find out a factor and how to find a factor and prime factoration. Now let's come to the next question, that is circle the prime numbers. So we know prime numbers means the number that has only 2 factors, that is 1 and itself, that numbers are called prime numbers. So this we have to find out which are prime numbers and we have to circle that. Likewise 3 has only 2 factors, 1 and 3. So 3 is a prime number, so we have to circle. 6 has more than 2 factors, so 6 is not a prime number. 2 is a prime number, so we have to circle it. 10 is not a prime number. 14 is not a prime number. 11, yes, 11 is a prime number. So this is how we have to check which one is prime number and we have to circle it. So these are some questions for factors. If you want multiple chapter or any other chapter, please do let me know in the comment section so that I can make more videos for you. I hope you will like the video. Thank you for watching.